Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix HP printer error code is E3 on Windows computer. So this is very easy to fix it. So first we need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Click on other troubleshoots. This printer, so click on run. Now wait some period, this process will be complete. Now click on apply this fix. So click on it. Now wait some period. This process will be complete. Now close it. Search services. This one printer spooler. So double click on it. And startup type is automatically. And this running, click on stop. And again click on start. Now apply and OK. Now close it. Now restart your PC or laptop. So after restart, your all problem will be fixed. So this way you can fix HP printer error code is E3 on Windows computer. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.